Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can comment on a music on YouTube Music. So, let's get started. Firstly, open YouTube Music app in your device. Then find the music on which you want to comment. Next, tap on it. After that, you can see the option of comment. Tap on it. Next, write anything of your choice. Then post it. So, this is how you can comment on a music on YouTube Music. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.